Aiden, what are you drawing? An
S.
S?
Yeah. And now tell me what I'm doing.
What are you doing, Sean?
I'm making E's and then the F's. And watch how I make the E's. That's how I make these.
Whoa.
Mommy.
Wait, hold on. Dustin, what happened? What happened?
No, it's just a big bird.
Well, that was interesting. Never seen that before.
And
What?
this is how I make an E.
You okay, buddy?
This is how I make an E. Down, cross at the top, cross at the middle, cross at the bottom.
Good job.
Cross
That's a really nice E.
line down, cross at the top, cross at the middle, cross at the bottom.
Very good job.
And then these E's, and then these E's,
Aiden, what are you making?
these again.
You're making an S? That's a very good S.
It have a circle on it. It have a S.
It has a circle on it too?
Like